Okay, fine. In the last classes, I think Saturday I had not taken a class. I was a bit not well. So in the previous class, we have studied what we completed actually logical connectives, right? We completed logical connectives. What are the types of logical connectives we have studied? We have studied conjunction. We have studied disjunction. We have studied exclusive disjunction. Then we have studied something confusing called as conditional. Then we have studied biconditional also. Yes, everything is easy except conditional. ಅದು ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so till here we have studied the logical connectives. Okay, different type of logical connectives. What will be their truth value? Using the example statements we have studied in the previous classes. From today, as I have told you, complete subject is dependent on logical connective. Logical connective ಪಕ್ಕಾ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋವರೆಗ ಪಕ್ಕ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋವರೆಗ you can't go further what is called as a problem. Complete subject, I'm repeating, complete subject is dependent on what? Our logical connective. Other one thing, be regular classes, don't miss the class. Okay, you can ask the doubts immediately. Fine. So complete subject is dependent on what is called as a logical connective. So better if you people remember logical connective. Now we'll start the class with once we came to know what are the logical connectives, we will start problems. Some problems ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ start ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Now first problem we will solve as. Okay. Now see here. Simple problem. If video is not proper, if audio is not proper, ping me immediately. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. You will not ever follow. So immediately message me if anything is problem. Fine. Consider P. Consider, I will take 3 propositions. Okay, we'll go with small problems. Okay, for today. Full dot problems ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು? Different varieties of problem using logical connective. Okay, so one problem truth table ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಲೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ varieties of problems we will see. Easy ಇದ್ದಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ, all are dependent on logical connective. Another 2-3 classes remember full logical connective ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ. ಮುಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಅದೇ, ಬಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಮುಂದ equivalence ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದ್ರ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹೂಎವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ನನ್ನ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳವಲ್ಲೇ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಿರ್ತದ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಾರ್ದ ಬರೀ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 2 times. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೌ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಫೈನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್. Consider 3 propositions. One is proposition P. One is still many are coming. Okay, one is proposition P, another one is proposition Q, and another one is proposition R. Okay, proposition P, proposition Q, proposition R. Now see here. Proposition P, I will write here 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Better if you take in a notes. Okay, just if you see in the board, you are not able to follow. Better anyhow I'm going slow. Better you people also take in a notes, because it is a problematic. If you solve only, you will come to know. 3 is a prime number. Q, I will take something 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, then I will take another proposition R. They are coming. I'll take another proposition called as a R. R will be something 6 is a prime number. Okay. Now they have given us they have given us three propositions: proposition P, proposition Q, and proposition R. What to do? They will ask us express these in words. Express these in words. They will give us express these in words, and they will ask us, listen here, and they will ask us first P conjunction negation Q. It is better if you copy. It is better. And another one thing, in textbook they will be giving 6 one problem ಈಗ 6 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ನಾ 3 ನಾ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನ 3 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಆರ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ I have given, listen carefully. P, this is what cap conjunction. This is what negation Q. This is negation Q. Now what to do with this? ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? What to do with this? This is nothing but they have asked us to express these in words. No need of truth table, nothing. Words ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ and ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ or ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ either or but not both ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ if then, ಬೈ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ if and only if. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈತಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ and ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ or ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ? if and only either or but not both ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. then condition, if there is a condition, if then ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, or by condition if and only if. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ one problem. I will explain in detail, just concentrate. First, there are two propositions. One is proposition P, another one is proposition Q. That is, I need to take proposition P, proposition Q. And another one thing, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಎದಕ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ? ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗ. ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಎನಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ, ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರೀಗ. ಸೊ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವರಿ, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವರಿ. ಸೊ just they are expressed in words. I have two conjunction are there, P conjunction P Q, and there is something conjunction. Conjunction andre ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What I have to use for conjunction? I need to use and. Conjunction means and, remember. Next, here something I have got, negation. What is negation? What is the word for negation? Not. For this I have to use and. For this I have to use not. I think it's visible. Why you people come late? So P conjunction Q, ಈ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ವರ್ಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I have given you the task. Okay, now I got here this cap is and, it is not anta kalitin. Now how to express in words? Say here, how to express in words? First, P. What is P here? 3 is a prime number. I'll write here, 3 is a prime number. Three is a prime number. Okay, what I've got here? P. P ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 3 is the prime. ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವ್ ಸ್ವಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಓನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, now P is what? 3 is the prime number. What is there here? A P and. So and ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ and and what I have here after this negation Q. What is Q here first? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What will be the negation of that? What is the negation of, or else I'll write here. 2 plus 3 is equal to anta baritin. Is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What will be the negation of Q? What is Q? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What is negation of Q? 2 plus 3 is not equal to 5. A true ಇರಲಿ false ಇರಲಿ ತಲೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. It may be true or it may be false. Don't worry about that. Okay, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಹಂಗ್ just not ಇದ್ರೆ not ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, and ಇದ್ರೆ and ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. Don't worry about any other things. Is not equal to 5. I'm going to repeat again. Many have come now. P conjunction negation Q. What is the meaning of P here? Supposition P. Where is P? Here I have P. 3 is a prime number. Okay, 3 is a prime number. Once you have got 3 is a prime number, next ಏನದ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು this they only will give. What is this cap? Cap ಏನದು conjunction ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Conjunction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? And. So I have placed here and. Then inside the bracket they have given negation of Q. Negation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Q ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಅದರ reverse is negation of Q. Q is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What will be negation of Q? 2 plus 3 is not equal to 5. Is not equal to 5. So cap and ಬಂತು. This negation not. So ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆ ಥರನೇ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್? Express these in words. Express these in words. Other than words, you should not express anything. Truth table ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, true or false ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. Just statement ಏನದ. Conjunction ಇದ್ರೆ and, disjunction ಇದ್ರೆ or. So ಈ ತರ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ symbols ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ words ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. So this is how first problem ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೇಮೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. But ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ questions they will ask 2 to 3 or 4 to 5 like that. Everybody followed this or you want me to explain again? If you follow, raise your hand. Whoever has not followed, just message me. I'll explain once again. But because first problem ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ full confusion ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಯಾವ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I'll see someone has. Whether my voice is not clear? Whether my voice is clear or no? Students, it's clear? Okay. I'm taking care of it. Clear, okay. Rafiq isn't clear. Fine, okay. Fine. So, this problem solved. We will see another problem now. I'll write here sentences above. First will be P. Supposition P. 3 is a prime number. Q. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And R. 6 is a prime number ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, 6 is a prime number. I think this is clear. We will solve another one example. So there are totally how many examples? If they have given 6 examples, 3 I'll be solving you, 3 I'll be giving you homework. So regularly you need to follow what is actually a logical connective. Until and unless you know what is a logical connective, truth table what is a symbol, what is a word, you will not get to know. Now next example I will solve here for you. See here. Negation P. Negation P. This is the second example for today. Okay. Negation P. V. V means what? Disjunction Q. Okay. Negation P, V and disjunction Q. Now I need to express these in words. Now see here. First I will show you. What is this? Negation and not. I need to insert a word not. I need to insert a word called as a not. What is this? It is not cat, it is V. This is disjunction or it is R. So this will make a lot of confusion, sir. V andrenu, disjunction, conjunction, this will make a lot of confusion. So be perfect with this. Again and again I'm repeating you people. Okay. Now I will solve this. V is R and this is not. I will write a statement. They have asked us to express in statement. We need to write down. First, not P. Not P. What is actually P? 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number is P. Not P. Negation P andrenu? 3 is not a prime number. 3 is, first this bracket I am solving. Okay. Directly don't go further. We'll go one by one. 3 is not a prime number. Okay. 3 is not a prime number. 3 is not a prime number. What is this? V. V means what? Disjunction. Disjunction means what? Or what is Q? Q is negation illa, enu illa. Or else what is Q? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗದ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು because here negation ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. See here, not. Not is there, I have placed here not. Or is there, I have placed here or. So this is how you need to write. I am going to explain here once again. Listen here. First is negation P anta kottaru. P andrenu? 3 is the prime number. 3 is the prime number. Negation P means what? 3 is not a prime number. I have inserted not. Word anta kelararu. Okay, I have inserted not. Then this is V, that is or 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is Q. This is how we need to solve the problem. I will show another one example. Okay. Third one. Q condition negation of, I'll take now R. Okay. Q condition, I think it's visible. Q condition negation of R. Q condition negation of R. Okay. Q condition negation of R. Now, is it not visible? It's not visible. Okay, this is not visible. So this is a third. This is another type of question what I have given you. Q condition negation R. I'll write here big. Okay. Q condition negation R. Okay. Now This is what? Condition. Arrow is what here? Condition. Condition is what? If and only, sorry, if and then. Condition andrenu? If one statement, then another statement. Now, Q, condition, negation R. So first I will solve Q. First I will solve what? Q. Okay. Okay, now see here, Q, condition, negation R. What is Q? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then negation R, 6 is a prime number anta kottaru. Negation R means what? 6 is not a prime number. Between that, I have something called as condition. This is if, then. If, then. If Q, then negation R anta artha. If for Q, this is if. This is if. If for Q, then negation R. Now I will see here. First if. What is Q? If Q, what is Q? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, then if then compulsory, these are very important. If 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, then what is negation R? R is what? 6 is a prime number. Negation R is what? 6 is not a prime number. Then 6 is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. So Q, condition, negation R is equal to, first condition means what? If then. If then is present here. What is negation R? 6 is not a prime number. So this is how, if you want to copy, you can copy. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Whoever is copying, copy. Whether it's not visible, just message me if it's visible or no, everybody. Not visible, actually 2-3 students are telling. Copied, visible, it's visible. Annapurna, please check yours. It's slightly reflecting, okay. It's, I think, due to light. I'll just cover the curtain. Whoever wants to copy, you can copy. Visible, okay. Okay. We'll go to the next set of problems. So, they may ask us these type of problems by giving some statements and telling us in words, express in words anta helbodu. Okay, we'll see another set of problems. Henga helbodu namga avaru. Okay, we'll see that. They will be asking us, okay, now we have studied, no doubt, by inserting or and stuff. Just words haki we were solving. Next, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ high level is ಹೋಗೋಣ. Next, they may ask us, express these in truth tables. Express these in truth tables. In that case, you need to compulsory know what is the truth table of a particular logical connective. Now, question will be, express these in words. You can copy this. Express these in truth table. In truth table. Express these in truth table. Express, and since there is a light, I'll tell that just you copy. Express these in truth table. Okay. First question, P. Here they will not give anything statements. Here statements is not necessary. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದಿದ್ರು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. They had given their words, asked us to solve using words. So statements ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. We joined them using and, we joined them using if then. So whatever was the relative logical connective, we used to solve with that. Okay. Now they are asking us to write the truth table. No need of statement. No need of statement. Now see here. P cap. What is this? AND gate. Conjunction, negation, Q. P conjunction, negation, Q. What to do with this? I need to express this in truth table. Now see here. First, how many prepositions I have? 2 prepositions. One is P, another one is Q. One is P and another one is Q. First I will write the combinations. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. They have asked us to express in what? Truth table. So it is necessary for what? To express in truth table. Now our final result should be this one. I need to find out what is this result. I need to find out what is this result. Now I have P, no doubt I got here P, Q is there. I want what? Another one? Negation of Q. I want negation of Q. Once I get the negation of Q, what I can do? I can solve this. P conjunction, negation, Q. Because negation Q I will get here. P I will get from first. P I will get from first column. Negation Q I will get from third column. These two I need to do the AND gate. These two I need to do the AND gate. That is why you need to remember AND gate truth table, OR gate truth table, logical connective, conditional. So all this logical connective truth table you need to remember so that you can solve this problem. Now, first I will solve negation of Q. What is the negation of Q? If Q is 0, negation of Q will be 1. If Q is 1, negation of Q is 0. Negation is completely reversed. Negation is completely reversed. Now, if this is 0, what will be the negation of Q? 1. If this is 1, 0. 0 and 1. 1 and 0. Negation of Q. Negation of Q. Now, P conjunction, negation of Q. Now, even now, don't worry this. For time being, I'll rub this. Okay, I don't require. This is what? Conjunction I require. Conjunction I require. Conjunction means what? It is AND. It is conjunction. It is conjunction. So, what is 0 and 1? 0, 1 AND gate? It is 0. Only if you, in AND gate, 1, 1 idagaste 1 irtuda. Compulsory. 0, 1 idag 0, 1, 0 idaga 0, 0, 0 idagu 0. Only 1 and 1 idraste 1 irtuda. Mikkidella 0. So, 1, 0 and 1, 0. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, see the third. 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 0, 0. So this will be the final result. So you need to know what is AND gate. What is its truth table? Nanu gottida easiest solve madre. Ayyo AND gate truth table gottilla matte page tirusbekindu AND gate eno anta. So remember all the types. Hardly there are 6 logical connectives. You need to remember. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So they may ask in statement in exam. They may ask in statement, or what they may do? They may ask like this and express in truth table. No need of statement, just express in truth table. For each problem, 1 mark will be giving. Okay, so this is how you need to solve using truth table. Whether everybody followed this or still you have doubt, I'll explain once again. Raise your hand if you have followed. If you have doubt, message me. Okay, fine. Now, I haven't solved hardly another 5 minutes I have. I'll solve another one example, simple. Okay. Second, fast, quick, I'll solve it. P condition, negation Q. P condition, I think marker is a little bit light. P condition, negation Q. P condition, negation Q. So first I'll write here first P and Q, PQ, okay. Zero, 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 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 and 1. Next, what I want here, it is little bit light, adjust for today, tomorrow I'll bring you another marker, okay. I want what? Negation Q. Negation Q is what? Reverse. 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Now, next what I want here final, P condition, negation Q. I'll rub this. This is P condition, negation Q. So, you need to know what is the truth table of that. Yes, message something. Okay. Okay, whoever wants to repeat, just here I had rubbed the board. So here I have P, Q is middle. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ first negation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ first ಅದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ನಾವು. Negation means what here? Whatever is the value, you will need to reverse. Not get ತರ work ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. Okay. So this is what here we need to apply condition for this. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So for this, you need to know what is the truth table. What is 0 condition 1? Now see the truth table. 0 condition 1 is 1. 0 condition 0 is 0. 1 condition 1 is 1. 1 condition 1 is 1. 1 condition is 0. How you got madam? Hang bantri nimga anta yari ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ think ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ I'll write here truth table. See here. P, Q. If you have, I think it's not visible here. P, Q. P condition Q. Hang solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 0, 0, 1. 1, 0. Sorry. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. ಎಲ್ಲ 1 ಇರ್ತಾವ except this one. 1, 0 is 0. I explained already in truth table. I explained this in truth table of condition. You need to remember. So first is what? 0, 0. 0, 0. What will be the value of 0, 0? It is 1. So it is 1. Q badli lane togಬೇಕು ನಾವು negation Q ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಮಗೆ. Next, first what is 0 and 1? What I have here 0 and 1? I have 1. So 1. Next 0, 0. 0, 0. What I have here? 1. It is again 1. Next 1, 1 and kotaril. Last 1 and 1. What I have? 1. Last 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. This will be the final result. This will be the final result. No doubt, same truth table but il Q apply ಆಗಲ್ಲ the negation Q. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. By using our logical connective. ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Logical connective, logic will be same, but with small change. In Q, instead of Q here, take negation Q. Why, madam? Because in question they have given us. And question ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಹಂಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು by using our what is called as our logical connective. So again I'll be explaining tomorrow in detail. Whether in this class everybody followed? Raise your hand. Okay, fine. If you have any doubt, you can message me personally also. Not a problem. I will be explaining. Either video call or explain martini. I'll write or I'll send a video. Not a problem. But make sure that whatever the task I give, submit on time. Okay, submit on time so that you'll be able to what is called as remember truth tables. Whenever I give the question, truth table then come it immediately.